In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the blue verification badge on Instagram. There are two paths to that blue check. The first is the traditional free verification for notable accounts. The second is Meta Verified, a paid subscription that starts around $14.99 per month, depending on your region. Regardless of which route you take, your account needs to follow Instagram's terms of use and community guidelines, be authentic and unique, have a complete profile with a photo and bio, and have no impersonation flags. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the Meta verified sign-up flow from inside the app. Start on your Instagram profile page. In the top right corner, tap the three lines to open the menu. This reveals settings and activity. Tap that, then tap Account Center at the top. In Account Center, scroll down until you see Meta Verified. Open it to review what you get. You'll see the verified badge and other benefits listed here. When you're ready, tap Unlock Benefits. At this point, you may see an option to add another profile for a discount. If you only want to proceed with the account you're on, choose the sign up option to keep things simple. You'll see the monthly cost, which will vary based on your currency, and a quick summary of the benefits again. Tap Continue to move forward. Next, start your subscription. Before it can activate, Instagram requires two-factor authentication. This is an important security step that protects your account by asking for a second verification method when you log in. Go ahead and set it up using the method you prefer. Once two-factor authentication is on, the subscription can activate. After activation, you may see an option to invite friends or share that you've joined. That part is optional. Head back to your profile, refresh the page, and look for the blue check right next to your name. If it doesn't appear instantly, give it a moment and refresh again. A few quick tips to improve your chances and avoid delays. Make sure your profile photo clearly represents you or your brand, your bio is complete and accurate, and your account name matches what your audience knows you by. Staying consistent and following Instagram's guidelines helps prevent impersonation issues and keeps your verification in good standing. If you prefer the traditional free route, remember it's aimed at accounts with strong notability and widespread recognition. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Instagram tips